Good morning. This is day 8 of our Hildegard von Bingen meditation contemplation program. And as per usual, if you'd like to close your eyes and turn your attention inward and upward. With the help of the breath, we release and let go. Any of the disturbances that we carried through the night into the morning, we release them with ease and grace into the nothingness on each out-breath. We just blow them all away. Any thoughts, feelings that we do not need right now, that do not serve us right now, we let them go. And on the in-breath, we imagine a beam of light, golden, white beam of light pouring down on us, embracing us, holding us. As we turn our attention upward into the source of this beam of light, into oneness, into the loving, into God, the ever-present source of our essence. And as we do that, we open ourselves to the wonderful words and we become receptive of the wonderful words of Hildegard von Bingen. My day begins. I heard him say, "Let my sheep be attentive to the words of their shepherd. Let those who live with eyes wide open and hear with open ears welcome with love these mystical words which have come from him who is life." And for a moment we just contemplate these words on our own terms before we listen to Hildegard's interpretation. If someone who loved you very much gave you a great treasure and said to you, "Profit from this, grow rich, but let everyone know who gave you this treasure," you would work very hard at fulfilling his request. This is what your Creator has done. He loves you greatly, for you are his creature, and he has given you great treasures. But with his gifts comes the condition that you apply his gifts to good works, that you grow in virtue. Your task then is to make your gifts valuable to others through works of justice, so that your life and deeds will mirror their giver. Choose what is good. Do even greater deeds and glorify your Father who has lavished you with his gifts. And we just simply allow these beautiful words to take hold in our consciousness and allow us to truly feel the treasures that is held in our deepening relationship with the divine presence, with the source. We have the abundance of it all. as we connect and deepen our connection with the loving, with life, with God. And in return, we are only asked to share it in abundance with others, uplifting and contributing to others' well-being. It is simple. It is doable. Throughout the day, this is our mantra for today. Be generous with His gift. Thank you so much for contemplating with me this morning. Have a lovely day. Baruch B'Shem.